Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our brand new bakery refrigerated case. Okay, this is going to be used for countertop. This is going to be a 60-inch refrigerated case. Okay, you can use this. As you can see on the inside, we got that glass cover on the front, glass on the sides. We got the sliding doors on the back. Now before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and measure the unit for you. Overall measurements, you're looking at 60 inches. Okay, front to back, you're looking at 22.5 inches. And the overall height, you're looking at 27 inches high. Okay, so that's going to be the exterior measurements. Now let's go to the back of the unit, and on the back we can search and locate our control as well as a switch, power switch. So you can set your temperature on that control. It'll also display your temperature once the unit is on and running. Also, I want to go ahead and measure the inside for you. Just from the shelf. Shelf itself is 14.5. Overall, obviously it's going to be 16.5. Okay. The length from one side to the other, you're looking at a total of 58 inches. 58. Okay. Overall height, you're looking at a total of 14.5. Okay. In between the shelves, it'll be 4 inches. 4 inches, okay? So you will be provided with these shelves on the inside. You have two long shelves on the inside for this refrigerated case. Okay? So that's going to be a demonstration on that. We also have a plug on the back. It is a standard US plug. It runs on 110 volt. Also, we'll be provided with an instruction manual on the inside. So if you have any questions, all the information regarding this unit is on there. Lastly, on the side, we have our sticker with all the specs on this unit, as well as your ETL certification for this refrigerated case. Okay, so all the information can be located on that side. All right, so this is going to be a 60-inch refrigerated case. Now, if you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, Coolerdepotservice.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact model. If you have any other questions regarding this unit, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.